In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned gray. That means that location is disabled, so to enable it, click on the same shortcut again until it's blue. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down to click on Location section over here, and tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!